Here is how you do it. So you're going to go to Axiom and you're going to go to Find Students. And I do preferred name and last name. And I turn off all of these things because we don't want them to show up on their ID cards. And current grade, let's just say we want to get the current 12th grade class. And then you come over here to where it says query. And we're going to ask it to do cards. Oh, I forgot one thing in the fields. You're going to have to add photo. So go over here and search fields and put photo. There we go. And I don't think you need to do anything with that. Okay, so then you're going to go over to query and you're going to do cards. And for card format, I'm going to put the photo on the left. For photo, you're going to select photo. And then you run your query. And here they are. And then you're going to print them. So you hit this lightning bolt. You hit print cards. And there's a couple things I played around with to make it stand out a little bit more. I changed it to 16 font size, and then I kept it in the top, but I moved the alignment to the center, and I bolded their first name, and then I click print all 179 cards. And there they are. They automatically download to your downloads folder, and then I put it in Google Drive and then created a link to that particular PDF and then linked it to the website. So this is the current 12th grade class, obviously, that just graduated. So we'll have to update this when we get closer to the school year. So anyway, I hope that helps.